Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagamenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
O Menteri Ketenaga Kakot Kakhia Jong Sorkar Jela uba Alexander L. Heck haga sauterik ujemang ula plepat ba yak shlam ban shnai gidawai tetkti Jong Directorate of Health Services Research kepadaan Pasteur Institute Shillong. Haga jing play gani ke jaka bala shnai yak ini gidawai tetkti lani ki hand sanitizer lai don langru ka Dr. W. Wanswet ka Dr. R.F. Tariang bat QA. Kajing pai khmat jong ketenat ka koi ka khia ban pli ya gani ka jaka ban shnai gi dawai thet kti kalong ban penmi khambun shu ya gi dawai thet kti khnang ba ki pai ba gi nupla ban penon kam ha ba thet ya la gi jong ki kti ban yada ya la di na kajing sapriang jong khnyang coronavirus.
We came for preparations of the isolation ward for MCH. So we have 10 beds for the isolation ward. It is prepared. The annex building of the Ganesh Das Hospital. Everything has been prepared, everything. They are accepting the pregnant women who are coming from the Bethany Hospital. 3 of them, I think, have been delivered here only. 14 cases.
14 cases
from the Bethany Hospital already been handled. Those coming from the Bethany Hospital for delivery cases here only in Ganesh Das Hospital.
Regarding the isolation ward, we are already starting in the old complex, but we are preparing now in the new complex where we will shift. We are handling so far in Ganesh Das Hospital as per se those pregnant women and sick newborn babies who will be coming for delivery, and those sick newborn babies, those only we will be handling. They will be either contacts, suspect, or we will also be handling, anticipating to have to handle COVID positive pregnant women also, but for the category of A and B only. For the C and D, there has been, like we have talked with NEGRIMS along with the DHSI, those will be taken care by NEGRIMS. As far as the testing facilities are concerned, we have with us the TrueNorth machine, and that we are just waiting for the safety cabinet to come, and that will be installed. As for that, the human resources are already in place here from Pasteur Institute itself. But then coming for the BLS2 lab where we are supposed to house the RT-PCR, that is still in process. So for as soon as we get the cabinet, the safety cabinet, we are going to start the test for the TrueNorth, and that also will be the same. We'll be testing for the nasopharyngeal and the throat swab also.
We don't yet have these the people to handle them. So we will advertise. Once we get, if we do not get them, we can send someone for training also. After we have the manpower who will handle them, then we will set it up. We have semi-isolated the area also. It will take some time. But from here onwards, we will go as per the condition, as per the situation. We need to have the people who are trained, and once we have that, then because if we install now, if there's anything goes wrong, it's a problem. No, we will have to have the people first, and then we will call the people, the ICMR, and they will help us with the installation.